Right, hello and welcome back to the channel. Next job up is going to be my thermostat, which I've got here. Okay, so not so easy with gloves on. There you go. Okay, so that's the thermostat. So we're going to take that one out and we're going to check to see if it's the right one. Put it up there for a minute. Haha, big apologies. Video missing, me removing thermostat, checking it's the correct one and refitting it. But let's continue. Right, that's it. I've put a new thermostat in with a new seal, cleaned all the bolts off, cleaned the holes out because they were pretty full up with corrosion, and got it all back together. Just gonna top it up and make sure it runs okay next. Right, I'm just going to check the temperature in the header tank. It is a bit disgusting in there. I think I'm going to be flushing it out 2 or 3 times before I put any antifreeze in. Okay, so we're looking at temperature 75, it's going up to 84 and then 86. I think that's about the maximum I expect from it. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, so when it goes round to normal on the temperature gauge, the fan's cut in and I believe it is circulating, so that's good, that's a bonus. So we've got that sorted today. Right, okay, so that's enough for today for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and also make comments. That'd be really good as well. And if you're really into this, you can press the reminder button and it'll tell you when I'm back online next time. Okay, so that's it for today. So bye for now.